Guys, today we are going to discuss about Harry Potter. Poor Harry Potter has a nightmare in which a muggle character named Frank Bryce is murdered in the Riddle House after overhearing a plot by Lord Voldemort and Peter Pettigrew and another man. After Harry does not recognize and after which in the following week he wakes up in the Weasley house where they travel across to the Stitch House, which came World Cup with Weasley's Hermione Wenger and Cedric Diggory and his father Mouse. That night, after that, they visited to the camps of where the Quidditch World Cup, where the magicians are come, and after which they enter into the camp, which is very well on in the stadium. The Quidditch a match against Czech Republic and Krampus, and after which they seem that one guy who is the best Quidditch player is Green Monger. After which the Green wins, they celebrate the victory, and after which Death Eaters attack the campsite after the tournament, and the unknown man from Harry Potter's nightmare cast the dark mark, that is a skull where the snake comes out. And after which, at the Hogwarts, Professor Dumbledore announces that the school will host the Triwizard Tournament along the Drumstang Institute, Drumstang, and the Beebuck Dance Academy. One student from each school will be chosen by the Goblet of Fire uh, to participate, and students under the age of 16 are ineligible. And after hearing that students under 17 are eligible, uh, they participate. And they later in the class they later in the class they have a new defense art teacher Alistair Moody, Professor Alistair Moody, the top class teacher carry the summon the his groups artwork along the edge. Then they name about the three scenes that are unforgettable scenes. And at the class there are the three scenes, and after which Fred and George cheating the goblet of fire by increasing the age and increase but after which a goblet of fire make them old and become after which the champions of the rescue were black. There were three are selected. First one is Crimbridge, and the second one is Lee from uh, the goblet selects Fleur de Clore from Beav Extens and Victor Crumb from Drumstang and Cedric for Hogwarts. It after which after which the goblet turns red, which unanimously selects Harry Potter, who is two ages below that one, and after which Harry as a fourth assumption leading to the conviction. Many students believe Harry was cheated, and the council says Ron distanced himself from him, heard that Harry didn't tell him when he illegally entered. Harry is forced to complete the magical binding contract when a champion's names are selected for the first stop. And after which Harry made his serious plan and tell about him what happened. And after which Hagrid had meet with Harry, which was told by Ron. Ron says through Hermione to the Harry Potter, and Harry and Hagrid meet and say that the first attack retrieve an egg from the dragon. And after which Harry and the others thought that Harry is a cheater. So Harry Potter is cheater in the batch. Later, that dark arts teacher Alistair Moody discuss Harry that he has to what power he has, and Harry replies that a broomstick. So he asked that Harry to summon the broomstick. And after at the tournament, Fred and George are involved in gambling and others. During all all other three collect the egg. Harry then enters in the run and recover the boomstick and fly through it. And after reach the dragon hit the bridge and gets falls off. And Harry then collect the egg. On Harry, after witnessing a police first on he the school hosts the youth ball, but Ron and couldn't attend their preferred dates. Instead, go with Parvati and Padmavati respectively. And Harry asks for Joe and shows a replies not. And Hermione goes with Victor, which provokes Ron jealous and Cedric advises Harry to perfect the bathroom in the fifth floor of Hogwarts and take a bath and submit the water after which Harry again the second task is the champions must rescue the somebody of the value of the practice. Harry has to save Ron. Harry uses Devil Longbottom help gives Harry Gilly weed underwater with and Cedric comes in first. And Harry is awarded the second place. He not only saves Rams and Gabriella after Fleur as a Vrindavan from the task. Harry later finds that the lifeless body of a Barty Crouch Senior, a Ministry of a Magical Official in the Forbidden Forest. In Dumbledore's Harry, he enters the Pensive. He witnesses that Igor Karakov, a gunman stabbed and harmed by Barty Crouch, is asked to who served the Valmont. He names several times, but frequent watches a snap. Karakov then names Barty Crouch. Harry recognizes Crouch Jr. From his nightmare. From the test, the champion asked to navigate the master of other trees of cup. Harry and Cedric reach the cup with the other two are eliminated from the whether they were red touch. One was supposed to be hypnotized by some of the magicians well, them to the graveyard from Harry's tomb. The graveyard of Thomas Riddle, his father. Harry is folded in a Thomas Riddle grave there, where they take the cup and go to the grave where Peter Pettigrew kills the Cedric and then Voldemort was become alive with Peter Pettigrew help with a spell and become a man. The ghost of an previous victims Frank said and that Petty pulls the Harry's blood to rescue Voldemort, who summons the Death Eaters from torturing Harry. Now, Voldemort attempts the killing case on Harry, but later deflects it. Uh, the ghost of one of the previous victims, Frank, Cedric, and Harry's parents, Lily and James, appear distracting Voldemort long enough for Harry to use the cup to return to the Hogwarts with Cedric's body. Harry informs Dumbledore about the Cedric murder, and everyone gets a shock and Voldemort returns. Harry is escorted by Moody in his office and learns that Moody put his name into the goblet, was guiding him to return of the Voldemort. Just as Moody is about to kill Harry, Dumbledore, Snape, and Minerva McGonagall subdue Moody using the Veritas serum. They learn that Poly potion. Party Coach Junior was impressed in Moody using the Polyjuice potion. The real Moody was impressed with the magical drink. At the end of the feast, Dumbledore announces that Voldemort murdered Cedric. Although the Ministry denies their claims, Harry informs Dumbledore that he is in contact with the normal and scripts that the prairie incantatum that both their wands are brother in nature, so they cannot understand each other. And in the battle, Harry won. Three schools bid farewell. Harry and Ron have an agreement that everything will change. And from this, the movie, the great movie of Harry Potter series, Goblet of Fire, which is about the competition and it comes to an end, and which is a good movie and it's also learn that dragons and some of the nonsense and it the kid interesting and kid favorite movies of Harry Potter.